is Mike from Party for Crafts, and I'm back here at the school makerspace working on a project today that I was helping a student with, and he was having trouble with the concept of kerf and also making this angled base here for a project that he's working on that maybe I'll talk more about in the future. So one of the things about a base like this is when you put tabs on the side, if you make the tabs go straight out like these up here, then you can't cut these tabs in this part at an angle, and so they come out, they won't fit on, you have to trim it and they don't fit in properly. So I want to show you when I get back to the computer how I put these tabs up at an angle so that this piece fits directly on. I also did something different with this one. The student was struggling a bit with getting kerf just right, and so I showed him a solution to that I think it was Dan from Glowforge was the first place that I saw this, putting serrated edges on the tabs so that when you push the slot onto the tab, it crushes some of those serrations and then it knocks it down and makes it just the right size that you want. So each one of these tabs has serrations on them. I think in the future, this is the first time I've ever done it, I think it burned away a little extra on those because we had a bunch of MDF here and I just used MDF and it burned a lot of it away. So I think I would make those tabs a little bit bigger, but as you'll see, it does work. So if I just take one of these end pieces, you might even be able to hear it as it goes on, except there's a big data box in this room and the air conditioner's going on kind of loud in the background. I'll slide this on. And I think you could hear that going on, the serrations there, the click, 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 click. There it is. And then I'll take this last piece over here, slide these on. This one on. Do the same thing with the top. And there it is, without doing any kerf adjustments. That's a pretty tightly fitting base for his project. So I'll switch over to the computer now and show you a bit about how I did that.